Hi, Mike Miller from iMiller here, and in front of me today for this video I'm going to be reviewing two different models from Leica Microscopes. On my right we have the Ivesta 3 series, and on my left we have the Leica M series. This happens to be the M80 model. Between these two model microscopes you have different capabilities and different functionalities while offering similar magnification ranges, so we're going to talk about the differences and why you would choose one over the other. On the right, just from a high-level standpoint, we have the Ivesta. The Ivesta is called a Greeno stereo microscope. It's a simple optical design with all of the optics being housed in the pod. Here we have a couple different options such as eyepieces. We can add a camera and of course different stand and lighting, but it's very straightforward. You have a single zoom system here, and this scope here is going to have an industry-leading zoom range from 6.1 to 55x with the 10x eyepieces. Okay. Over to my left, again, this is the M80 microscope. This model here is going to have a similar zoom range. They also make an M60 model with a little bit of a lower zoom range, but this is called a common main objective microscope. Okay, so here you can see we have things like an ergonomic tilting head. We have the optical body here, and we also need a lens on the bottom here. We have a couple extra lenses out here. So just showing the differences in that this, again, if you're looking for something that gives you more ergonomic functionality with an ergo head, we have an ergo wedge here. So something like this with the ability to remove these items here allows you to put different things in this intermediate space here. For certain applications you want different illumination like a coaxial light. Here we have a nice camera. This integrated camera can go right here. We just pop the cap off and you can add a camera to this style microscope. Okay? So again, the M series is common main objective and gives you a lot of added functionality over the Ivesta. But the Ivesta is a great microscope offering fusion optics from Leica, again giving you that maximum optical field of view, giving you that high magnification range, and also the working distance underneath here. You're going to get a very large 122 millimeter working distance out of the box. Okay, what are the differences, right? Well, you have similar magnifications. Resolution is really important. Okay, so any Greeno stereo microscope, which is the Ivesta, is going to have very simple, good magnification range. But when you get into the M series microscope or common main objectives, we won't get into the optical pathways and how they differ, but there's a little bit of a different design which gives you higher resolution. Okay, so you get better resolution. Again, a little bit complex of a discussion, but some different working distances characteristics. So again, just showing the two different models, kind of explaining some of the differences between them, the different optical pathways, the different optical options. Illumination, stands, all of that is universal. So we can pop this LED 3000 ring light off of this scope, put it over here, and vice versa. So we'll talk about the accessories and lighting in a different video, but this is just highlighting the different series from Leica and the Ivesta and the M series. And again, it's just also talking about why it's important to talk to our team of specialists or any Leica specialists to review your application, review your needs, right? We're happy to come out and do demos, but once you actually put your hands and more importantly your eyes and your samples on these microscopes, you really can truly tell the difference. So hopefully this sheds some light on the difference, gives you some starting point, but please reach out to iMiller. We're happy to help and discuss any additional questions from there, and look forward to talking to you next time.